Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Voyager luggage password. First, find the small reset button on your luggage, usually a tiny hole. Use a pen or a similar pointed object to press and hold this button down. While keeping the button pressed, rotate the number dials to your new desired 3-digit or 4-digit combination. This initial step is crucial for securing your belongings. Once you have entered your new combination, carefully release the reset button. You should hear a small click, indicating the new code is now set. Scramble the dials to lock the zippers securely. Then, enter your new combination to test it. Make sure it opens smoothly, confirming your new password is correctly programmed and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that you've entered the correct combination. Sometimes a slight misdial can prevent the lock from opening. Also, ensure the reset button was fully pressed and released properly during the setup process. If problems persist, refer to your specific Voyager luggage manual for detailed, model-specific instructions, as designs can vary slightly. To maintain your luggage lock, always remember your combination or keep it noted in a secure, private place. Avoid forcing the lock if it doesn't open, as this can damage the internal mechanism. Gentle handling ensures longevity. For more travel tips and great deals, including a fantastic Owala water bottle to keep you hydrated on your journeys, check out the links in the description below. Happy travels!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.